In this video, you will learn how to make money listening to music. You will be able to earn up to $12 per song. Hey, if someone told you that you can earn money listening to music, wouldn't that be awesome? Well, in this video you will learn how to make up to $12 per song that you listen. But before we get into the video, I just want to remind you to hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified for every video I upload. Now, let's jump into the video. So, you are wondering how is this possible? Well, one of the methods I'm going to share with you is listening to internet radio, and after that I will show you even a better way, so stay tuned. Alright, a lot of people listen to internet radio, and wouldn't they love it if someone paid them for that? Well, in this video I'm going to share with you a website that is called Unique Rewards, and it pays you for doing that. You just need to sign up to this website and then you're ready to start earning money for listening music. And how this works, this site is going to show you some ads while you're listening to music, and every 30 minutes you will have to enter a CAPTCHA, so you could get paid. And what a CAPTCHA is a picture with some scrambled letters that you have to enter. So you will be able to earn 3 cents for a CAPTCHA that you enter every 30 minutes. But if you continue watching this video, you will learn how to get up to $12 for a song that you listen. So to withdraw the money, you will need a minimum of $20. So you will be able to request a check or a withdraw to your PayPal account. And you can do even other offers on this site. If you click here, you can see more information about it. So you can get cash back for shopping online. You can try brand name products for free, get paid to take online service, earn money just by clicking, get paid for reading emails, get paid for watching videos. And here you can see, as a member of Unique Rewards, you can earn cash while listening to the radio, enjoy your favorite music and get paid. Enter a CAPTCHA every 30 minutes and earn 3 cents if you are from the US. Each time the CAPTCHA is entered, British and Canadian users earn 1 cent each time the CAPTCHA is entered. And if you want to sign up, you just scroll up to the site and click here, sign up on this sign up button. And to sign up, it's really easy. You just need to fill up this, and if you scroll down here, you can see this message. You will receive an additional 10% cash bonus for all offers you completed today and tomorrow. So this is only for new people who sign up, and this is a great offer. So if you want to earn some money listening to music, the link to this site is going to be in the description. But now we are going to look at a site that is, in my opinion, better than Unique Rewards. This site is called Playlist Push, and you can earn $12 per song you listen on this site, and it's worldwide. And now you are wondering how this is possible. So when new musicians want to be noticed and become popular, they use this site to promote themselves. So now I will show you how you will be able to make money listening to music on this site. So if we scroll down here, we can see for artists, promote your music by submitting your song to active playlist curators. So they have here for artists, and what we're interested in is for curators. Discover some of the best up and coming artists and help them launch their career, get paid to listen and review songs. Earn money by listening and reviewing songs. Discover new music by independent artists for your playlists. And if we go here, so here we can see get paid to review songs. We pay you to listen and review songs. If you like it, you can consider adding it to one of your playlists. To qualify as a curator, you need to own a playlist with real followers on either Spotify, YouTube Music or Apple Music. So for this I recommend that you use Spotify, but even if you don't have a Spotify playlist, that's not going to be a problem. It's really easy to create one, and I'm going to share with you some tips how you can get real followers on your playlists. And if you're wondering how to find the songs that you put on your playlist, what you do is use Google or YouTube. For example, you can go on YouTube and type in top 50 songs in 2020. So here you go, guys, it's really easy to find the songs. And after you create your playlist, it's time to get some people to start following it. So now I will share with you some tips how you can get followers to your playlist. One thing that you can do is go to reddit.com and go to the subreddit Spotify playlists. And you can post your playlists here. But I recommend that you don't spam your playlist there, not to violate their guidelines. And another tip, when you post your playlists, you can also type in 2020 so people know that it's new. So you can see here they have some new playlists. This one is added 4 hours ago. This one is added 7 hours ago. This one is added 3 hours ago. And this is going to be an easy strategy for you to get some followers on your playlist. And another thing that you can do to get followers is you can use YouTube. So go to YouTube and type in top Spotify playlist 2020. And as you can see here are some playlists that have even 1 million views. Here is a playlist that has 3.1 million views. This has 13 million views. This one has 2.4 million views, and so on. And as you can see, you can get a lot of followers if you put a playlist on your YouTube channel. So, if you decide to use YouTube, you can make your own playlist on YouTube with the newest songs and also include in the title 2020 so people know it's a new playlist. And after you post your video playlist, you need to put your Spotify playlist link in the description of that video. And that way the people that are going to see the video on YouTube are likely to click on the link in the description and start following you on Spotify. So they will follow your Spotify playlists. So the tips that I shared with you till now were free. So you don't have to pay for anything to get the followers you need to start earning $12 per song that you listen. But if you want an easier method to get followers, there is a solution, but it's not free. You can visit this site called Spotonfire, and for $12 you can buy 1000 followers on your Spotify playlist. But I do recommend that you use the free methods, because you're doing this to make money. But even if you buy the followers from this site, you will still be profitable, because then you will be able to earn $12 for every song that you listen. But to be honest, you can't get rich by doing this. It's a great and easy way to earn some part-time income from home while listening to music. But if you're looking for a way that you can work from home full-time, where you will be able to generate a passive income online, well, that's what I'm doing. This is the same thing that I do, and it gives me complete flexibility in my life. I have more time to spend with my family and friends. I don't have to worry about a 9-to-5 job. Thanks to this, I learned how to set up my own online business where I generate multiple streams of passive income from home. And what a passive income is when you already did the work once and you earn money passively after. You can earn money even while you are asleep, while you are traveling, and so on. The income will keep coming. But you need to know, this is not a get-rich scheme. You can't get rich overnight by doing this. You will need to be serious about this and put in some quality work into it. So if you're serious about learning how to start to generate a passive income online from home, you can click on the first link in the description of this video and you will see more information about this and how this works. If you click that link, you will get that information right now. And that's going to be it for this video. If this video was of help to you, don't hesitate to click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you will be notified for every new video I post. Thanks for watching.